Hey, thanks for tuning to the channel. Today I want to talk about a solution to a problem. One of the problems I had is riding this BMW 1250 long distances, and my buns hurt. After 300 miles, man, I'm in pain. My other bike I have is a 2008 Goldwing, and that has a seat that's like my lounger in my house. It's so comfortable. I've ridden 1,000-mile days and felt okay. But this BMW, that seat's firm, it's hard. It's great for riding off-road, short trips, but if you want to go 400 or 500 miles, your buns are gonna hurt. So I think I found the solution. Now there's a lot of solutions, but I found one I think works really well. Let me tell you about it. Follow me over here. I'm just checking out, see if I can find some rattlesnakes out there. Whew, didn't find any. All right, here's the solution. It's this AIRHAWK Seat Cushion. And if you're like me, you've seen the AIRHAWK Seat Cushion for sale on all your websites for years, and you just have never bought it. That was me. But finally, to solve the problem I had, or the challenge of riding on this bike long distances, my buns hurting, felt like I'm sitting on a log, I tried it. The AIRHAWK Seat Cushion. I've put about 600 miles, 700 miles on it now, and I tell you, it works really well for me. But let me take it apart. And if you're so inclined to buy one of these, there's something you need to know really important. So let me take the guts out of this thing. Just unzip it, and inside is the air chamber. There's 10 air pockets in this AIRHAWK seat cushion, and it works very well. It's when you sit on one side, the air floats the other side. But let me show you this. Look closely. I think intuitively we'd want to fill this up fully, right? That's what makes sense to me, to fill it up. But that's not what you want to do. Let me show you how much air you want to put in. This would not work. When you put this and ride on this, like you feel like you're falling off your seat, you're wobbling, take the air out of this very, very low. Let me show you what I mean. This is the valve. You just simply undo it. You blow it up, but you want to let air out. Let me squeeze some air out. That's not enough. More. For me, that's about what it looks like. Very little air in this bladder. Now let's put it in, I'll show you what it looks like. Flip that sucker in. There's really no reason to take it out, I guess, unless you punched a hole in it or something like that, needed to get it there, get it fixed. Zips up. And now, what you want to do, when you have the air just right, when you sit on the seat, and you've got your weight on here, you should feel if you lean to the right butt cheek, you might feel your right butt cheek hit the seat. You just want it barely touching the seat. If you shift to the left butt cheek, if you want that one barely hitting the seat, then you're perfect. You don't want this aired up a lot. You want it really, really low, as if you wasted your money low. That's the AIRHAWK seat cushion. It works great. Now, how do you install it in this seat? It's very, very easy. On the BMW seat, pops off. I don't know many other seats, but I know the 2008 Goldwing seat is a pain in the butt to take off. Screws, take it off, it's a hassle. But I don't need it on that bike. I need it on this BMW. So you take the seat off. This comes with straps. You help put an X pattern on there for the straps. You loop them up, and bob, you're there. That's it. Very easy. The key then is getting the right amount of air, and that may take some time. So if you first get it, you go right and say, oh man, I feel like I'm falling off. Let some more air out, let some more out. You're gonna feel like you've let all the air out, but you haven't. That's the key. Anyway, this is the AIRHAWK seat cushion. It works for me. And another thing, if you have the BMW 1250, the seat comes off, you can make adjustments on this seat. I've got the seat set high in front, low in back, so it's maybe tilted a bit. On long road trips with this AIRHAWK seat cushion, it works great. So check it out. Anyway, down below is a link on Amazon where you can buy this thing. And great thing about Amazon, buy it, it's like 95 bucks, I don't know. And then you buy it, if you don't like it within 30 days, you ship it back, get your money back. That's why I like Amazon so well. Anyway, that's the AIRHAWK seat cushion. Check the link below. There's more of a description from the manufacturer below as well. I'd recommend give it a shot, at least for 30 days. Don't like it, send it back. Hey, thanks for watching the channel. If you like this content, give me a thumbs up, it helps, subscribe, leave a comment. Sure appreciate it.